Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art, where you can learn to draw anything and I make it easy. So today we're going to continue the fruit with faces, make some cute fruit with some faces on them, and we're going to draw some cherries today. And I think our cherries, since there's two of them, I think I'm going to have some an evil twin and a nice happy one, so kind of make it look funny today. Okay, so as always, please make sure you're prepared for art. That means you have all your materials, like a piece of paper or something to draw on. Make sure you have a pencil or two in case one breaks. And a pencil's always good because you can always erase if you have any problems or any mistakes. So we have an eraser, and we also have a Sharpie, or a black marker, or a black pen, or something like that, so you can do your outline. And then, of course, if you guys have any colors that you want to color your cherries, make sure you get those ready too, okay? So we're gonna get started here with our cherries with faces on them, okay? So we're gonna start with two nice circles for the cherries, okay? So we'll just do some nice circles here. 1, 2. And your circles, obviously, mine are not perfect. You do not have to make your circles perfect either. Okay, no problem. Now, right at the top, I'm gonna just erase the top of my circles, okay? And this is just so there's a spot for the stem. I think it's easiest to just do a circle and erase the top. So we'll just erase a little bit of the top here. And if you didn't have a pencil or something, just when you're drawing, make sure you go around and just leave it a little open. So I'm just gonna make a little indent here. Little curve in. You guys see that? And that's where their stem will come out. Okay? Next, again, like I said, we're just going to do the stem to come out of the cherries. So the first stem, we're going to have a curved line up like this. Okay? So first line is a curved line up like this. The other line is just going to come curved down to this side. Perfect. Now, in order for our stem to kind of have a little bit of a girth to it, we're just gonna do another line right next to it, parallel, nice and thin, right with it. Okay. And at the end, we can just give a little top to it. Okay. And we're just gonna come right back down and trace this line as well. Okay. There we go. And then I think one leaf on our cherry stem would look really good. So I'm just gonna do a curved line here, kind of like a football shape. Right? Kind of like a football for the leaf. And we'll just do a line in the middle to show it's a leaf. Curved line in the middle to show that leaf. Perfect. All right, we got two cherries, a leaf, and some stems. Now for the faces. So we'll start with their arms and legs first. They're easy. We'll make a couple L's for the feet. You guys see, like an L, and then a backwards L for the other foot. For their hands, I'm just going to do a straight line out with a line up. That'll be his little hand. And you can make your hands any way you guys want. Up, down, waving with fingers, whatever. Do the same thing on this side. Maybe his feet are over here a little bit. And his arms, same. Basically his arms and legs are like L's. Not a problem. Alright, so I'm going to make this cherry a nice happy face and this cherry evil. Kind of like, opposites. They're kind of like twins, so maybe one's mean and one's not. So that's what I thought. So we're going to do two circles for their eyes, right in the middle. So we'll do 1, 2, and they touch. And then I'm going to have his eyes they're going to look at each other. So we're going to put our eyes facing each other. So we'll put a small circle here on this side, facing this way, and another one here, facing that way. So he's kind of looking at his brother or his friend. And then this one, same thing, two circles in the middle. And we'll have him looking at this guy. So we'll have his eyes facing this way. this side and this side. Wherever your small circles are is where the character's looking. So you guys can have them looking up, down, all over, whatever you want. Okay? Now, we'll do maybe some open mouths because they look like they may be laughing or something. So we'll do a curved line and then another curved line down to finish it up, kind of like a sharp-ended banana or a moon shape. And I'll just give him a little line in here for the tongue, a little curved line for the tongue. Shows his mouth's open. And since he's happy, we're gonna make his eyebrows kind of up and slanted out. Right? A lot of things, you guys can make faces, expressions with their eyebrows. That's all. So we'll do the same thing on this side. We'll do his mouth. Like a moon or like a sharp-ended banana. A little tongue. And as you can see, he looks pretty happy, right? But with his eyebrows, we can make him look evil. So I'm just gonna put his eyebrows in here, facing in like this. And all of a sudden, he's not happy anymore, is he, guys? So easy there, okay? That's pretty much all we have to do here. So next, guys, we're just gonna outline it. We're gonna color it all in. Fast forward through it really, really fast for you. And then we'll be back and talk later. All right? Good luck, and we'll talk after. Okay guys, I think we're all finished with our two cherries, our evil twin and our happy one. And I hope your cherries came out just as good, if not better than mine. And remember, you can do any kind of face you want on these guys. You can make them both happy if you want, or both angry, or silly, whatever works for you. And then, of course, you guys, if you like what you did today and you want to draw more, please subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to draw all kinds of different things or more fruit with faces. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and please take it easy.